Good morning, fun shirts, and my name is Tyler, and happy fun Sunday. And we need subscribers from you guys. I hope we just like this a YouTube a channel. We give it a thumbs up on the like button, and happy Sunday, guys. I will show you my cat. And this is my cat. We call him Mike Tyson. Right, boy? Right. This is Mike Tyson, guys. He's an awesome cat. I mean, I love him so much. He always on my phone search. Right, Mike? Look. And guys, Mike Tyson, he's an awesome cat, guys. And hi, and my name is Tyson, and hi, good morning, phone search. And thank you so much. You know, I said what? We need subscribers and like my channel on my YouTube. I just go I just go to my website. I'll copy the link down below. We need 12,000 million subscribers and have a beautiful Sunday. My name is Tyler. This is your phone search. My phone search is our business. Let's call Tyler. You call the phone search. And have a great day.